Using any in a generic function throws away your type safety. TypeVar solves this. TypeVar creates a named type variable, a placeholder representing any single type fixed when you call the function. You declare it by importing TypeVar from typing, then writing t equals TypeVar with the name as a string. By convention, single capital letters like t, k, or v are used. Once you have t, use it directly in your function's type annotations. This first function takes a list of t and returns t pass a list of strings. The type checker knows you get back stir. Pass integers. You get int. Same t, same type, guaranteed. This is the core insight. The same t appearing in both the parameter and the return type creates a binding. At each call site, the type checker infers what t is, and that inference flows through to the return. Input and output types are locked together. Pass strings in, you're guaranteed strings out. You can also restrict TypeVar with a bound, limiting t to subtypes of a specific class. Unlike any, which disables all type checking, or union, which accepts only specific name types, TypeVar preserves type safety while staying flexible. TypeVar creates type placeholders that preserve exact relationships across your signature. Try it in your next function and drop a comment below. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.